Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.